See, bacteria can tell time through internal clocks. Now, new research has revealed that bacteria too have the internal clocks that align with 24-hour clock cycle of Earth. The research answers a long-standing biological question that could have implications on the timing of the drug delivery and biotechnology. Biological clocks or cardiac rhythms are exquisite internal timing mechanisms that are widespread across the nature, enabling living organisms to cope up with the major changes that occur from day to night. Existing inside cells, these molecular rhythms use external cues such as daylight and temperature to synchronize biological clocks to their environment. That is, they use external cues such as daylight and temperature. Although bacteria represents 12% biomass of the planet and are important for health, ecology, and industrial biotechnology, the little is known of their 24-hour biological cycle. Previous studies have only shown that the photosynthetic bacteria, which require the light to make energy, have the biological clocks, but free, free living non-photosynthetic bacteria have remained a mystery in this regard. Researchers applied a technique called luciferase reporting, which involves an additional enzyme that produces bioluminescence. So, researchers have applied the technique called luciferase reporting, which involves adding an enzyme which produces bioluminescence that allows researchers to visualize how active, that is bioluminescence, the biological cycle will involve a luminescence that allows researchers to visualize how active a gene is inside an organism. They focused on two genes. Firstly, a gene called YTBA, which encodes a blue light photoreceptor, and secondly, an enzyme called Kinsey that is involved in including the formation of involved in inducing the formation of biofilms and spores in the bacterium. That is, these two genes, YTYA and Kinsey, these are focused genes. They found that pattern of YTYA levels are adjusted. The pattern of YTYA levels are adjusted to the light and the dark cycle. So these YTYA levels are adjusted to the light and dark cycles, which with the levels increasing during the dark and decreasing in the light, a cycle was still observed in the constant darkness. Researchers observed how it took several days for a stable pattern to appear, then that the pattern could be reversed if the conditions were inverted. So such and by these levels, these gene levels, the pattern of gene levels with adjusted to the light and dark cycle with the levels of increasing during the dark and decreasing in the light. This cycle was still observed in the constant darkness. Researchers observed how it took several days for a stable pattern to appear and that the pattern could be reversed if the conditions were inverted. So significance of the research is the research could be used to help address such questions as the time of the day of the biological bacterial exposure important for infection. Can industrial biotechnology processes be optimized by taking the time of the day into account, and is the time of the day of antibacterial treatment important? So these questions can be solved with the help of this antibacterial treatment. The time of the day is important for the antibacterial treatment. So these in medical field and also the industrial and biotechnological field, these pay a significant contribution.